Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to convert your mom's nightie into a cute dress. So that's what I'm wearing now. As you can see, I've paired it up with a short shrug and a white beaded necklace. So guys, do try it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. So let's start. Bye bye.
Easy purpose, I'm taking a t-shirt of my size, so you can take a t-shirt of your size and place it over the nightie. So this is what it looks like, and you have to place it properly. Don't waste any space on top of the portion. So, and you have to trace the neckline as well as the shoulder. Now here for the t-shirt, you can see the neckline behind is slightly higher, as well as the neck the front portion is deeper. So for my comfortability, I want the neckline to be higher, so I'm going with the back neck itself. So in case you wanted to be you want the neckline to be slightly deeper in the front, you can just take the first layer, the front portion, fold it into two and just mark the lower neckline as you wish. But for now I'm just taking the back neck itself. I like it more higher, and you have to trace down the shoulder towards the sleeves. So here what we are doing is, I'm just cutting a slit for the armhole. So you have to know the measurements of your armhole size. You need a measurement tape for taking the measurements. So how to take your measurements? If you can either place the measurement on the armhole and just check it yourself whether it is correct. For me it is 16 inches, and you can as well take it from the t-shirt as well. For the t-shirt, if the t-shirt is kind of loose, you will get a slightly bigger um, measurement. So here how you can measure is, you can just take the measurement of one side. Here it is 8 inches, as you can see it is 8 inches, so total of 16. But here I will not be uh, taking 8 inches as such for marking, because there are chances that it might go loose. So for now I'll be just taking 6 inches from the shoulders. And through the stitching process I'll be trying the top on and just checking out. And then in case it is kind of a bit of tight or loose, I'll be adjusting it accordingly. So now what you have to do is you can just place a small slit on the side of the shoulders, and you can cut the slit of the armhole. So as I said before, you can either just leave 1 inch and just cut it, but I'm not leaving 1 inch here. I'm just cutting the slit, as you can see, from the shoulders. So that's what you will get, and you have to do that on both sides as well. So you will have to also just sew it. You can just double fold it and just sew it or hem it. So you will have to sew the neckline and attach the shoulders as well. So first of all, I'll be cutting the shoulders along with the neckline, and I'll be attaching it. Here, as you can see, we have already marked the shoulders and neckline. So I'll just be cutting through the shoulder and neckline carefully. So we have already marked it with the t-shirt, so you can just have the guideline for your dress. Now actually you can have the neckline of the front as V or boat neck or jewel neck, according to your wishes. According to your wish, if you have any other t-shirt or any other kurti, you can put it as reference on top of this and just do it as well. Otherwise you can check the tutorials on YouTube and do otherwise. So here, for easy purpose, I have taken the t-shirt for the measurement purpose. Now this is what it looks like. So I'll be just showing the shoulder portions and the neckline as well. I'll be double folding it and sewing through the end portion of it. So it's kind of a difficult task, but you can do it very slowly, otherwise it's gonna come out and go through this dress. So you have to be careful. So you can start from one end, go from the shoulders through the neckline and the other shoulder, and also you can finish the front and back likewise, and you can turn the top upside down and you can just sew the shoulder portions together. So you'll just be left with the open sleeves and your neckline portions. So those will be the two openings that will be left for you, and the shoulder portion will be closed. So you will get kind of a dress silhouette slowly. So you can just through the process you can just try it on, especially before finishing the sleeves.